photography. What's good, my team? Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Adriana, and I am back with another video. So today's video is going to be my first time putting on a frontal with actual glue, like got to be glue and stuff, and putting it down on my head for the first time. So I'm taking you guys with me, so come along. So we're gonna jump on into the video, but first, if you new or returning and have not already, hit that subscribe button. What you doing? What you doing? Hit that subscribe button down below to become a part of the Supreme team. As you guys know, we are going to the top and the grind cannot stop. So without further ado, let's jump on into the video. Hey y'all, what's up? So I'm just gonna start off with putting my handy dandy, you know, wig cap on. And I got this wig cap from Amazon in like a 7-pack, and it said that it was for like darker skin or whatever that was supposed to mean. But yeah, I look like a bald-headed scallywag. Like, I look like a bald old man, old grandpa. But anyway, I'm going to just be taking my Got To Be Freeze spray, and I'm just going to spray the perimeter of my head right below my hairline, and I'm just going to keep spraying. Next, I'm going to be going in with my blow dryer, and I'm just going to blow dry the perimeter that I have already used the Got To Be spray on. And as you guys can see, I'm just going to keep adding layers until I feel like it will be sturdy enough to be left on for like a couple of days. And I'm just going to keep blowing. Now, as you guys can see right here, I'm just tapping my head to make sure that the layers that I already have are dry, and before I add another layer. As you guys can see, I'm just going to add more layers, and I'm just going to keep blow drying and then adding more layers, because I want to make sure that all the layers are dry in between, so I won't just keep piling up wet layers on the wig cap, because then that's how you mess up the whole process. Now, once all the layers are fully dry, I'm just going to start sculpting my wig cap into the style of my hairline. Now with this, I start cutting in the middle, and then I go to the sides, and you're just going to want to outline the shape of your hairline, but you're not going to want to cut too close to your hairline because you may cut some hair off, but just leave like a little bit down more so that you have room to put the wig and make sure that the wig is glued onto like your forehead and not your actual hairline. After I glue down the front of my forehead, I'm just going to pull down the edges. I call these like the corners, like right where your ears are. And you're just going to want to pull some down and use some Got To Be spray to make sure that everything is covered, because I don't know about y'all, but girl, my edges come all the way down there, so I need that to be covered. So I'm just gonna spray and blow dry. Yes, bald-headed in the making, like truly bald-headed. Yes, honey. So I'm gonna put my wig on, but I'm not gonna put it like all the way to the front. Like, I'm gonna push it back some once I put it on, but you guys are gonna see, so don't worry. And basically it's just like, oh my god, there's like strands on my hand. It's basically just like, you know, you put your wig halfway like back, like right here, and then you use the Got To Be glued, and then you just put it around like right here below your hairline. Do not put it on your hairline, because if you put it on your hairline, once you dry the Got To Be glue on your hairline, when you take your wig off, you gonna whip your edges off. So I don't think get off, you're going to rip out either your hair or your edges, and we need our edges to be snatched to the gods all day every day, not snatched from God, okay? So we need to get it together. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting on my little wig. I know I haven't did an explanation to this wig, but I got this hair from Wiggins, and my friend made it into a wig for me. But don't worry, there's going to be a review coming very soon, so don't worry, stay tuned for that. But yeah, so I'm just going to start by putting the strap on first, and then I'm going to put it on. So see how it's like back more? I'm just going to fix it, adjust to make sure it's straight, and then I'm going to tie this piece back with a little clip so that nothing will be in my way when it comes to putting the glue on, because Lord knows, once this hair gets stuck, this hair is stuck for life. So I'm going to be taking my Got to Be Glued, and this is the black one. I'm just going to do one coat, guys. One coat, too. As you guys can see, I have one very thick coat on, okay? And I'm just going to blow dry it until it becomes a little tacky. I don't want it to be all the way tacky because I want to be able to put it on and adjust my hair if I need to. So you're just going to blow dry it until it's a little tacky. Don't make it too tacky, because if it's too tacky, then that means it's going to dry very quickly. And as far as just having a little bit tacky, if you guys mess up, like say in the, you know, wherever you want to place it on your head, you could still have time to, you know, shift it or whatever the case may be. So I know you guys probably looking like, how are you gonna tell if it's a little tacky? I call this the tap test. I just tap it once. If I see that stuff is coming off of my hand, then I will put the dryer back on. Okay, that should be good enough. Yep, it's tacky. It's tacky. Okay, so I'm just going to take this. Make sure you guys grab it. Make sure that the hairline is out, because sometimes the hairline rolls and can get tucked under. So you're going to be very careful and take it and stick it right onto the glue. And make sure you guys hold it into place for a good second. So I'm going to just hold it like this, and I pretty much got the whole head on it. Okay. Hold this for a good second. Make sure you lightly tap the middle, because if that's where your part is, you don't want the glue to seep through. So make sure you guys just lightly tap the middle. So as you guys can see, some of the hair did get on the glue, which is fine because this is going to be the baby hairs anyway, so that doesn't matter. So you know when you do your baby hairs, like this part is already going to be on the lace, so that's fine. Then lift this side up. Look, won't it do it? Already formed a baby hair. Guys, look, what lace? What lace? That shit look like it's gluing, like it's growing right out of my scalp. What lace? What lace? What lace? Yes, honey. What lace? What lace? Okay. Let me pin this hair back because it keeps falling out. Okay. And now I can let it down and just brush it because I already styled it. It's straight. The worst part is I hate doing baby hairs because most of the wigs that I wear are like glueless wigs, so I don't have to deal with the whole, you know, cutting baby hairs and stuff like that. But I decided to try a frontal, so you guys know that frontals are a lot of work, like a lot of work. You guys already know the routine with my Gorilla Snot and my edgy brush. Okay, just gonna take some. I'm gonna try, y'all, because I never did baby hairs on a wig before. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I'm just gonna try. I'm just gonna do some light baby hairs like that, you know, something light, not too much, not too clingy. You know, I'm not gonna do the dramatic look, mainly because I don't know how to do the dramatic look with the wig, and I'm scared because I already have all this glue on. So you know, you already know how that go. Okay, she is not going nowhere. As you guys can see, she is down. As you guys can see. Okay, so I finally put her on right. Oh, looks like I do know how to do this. Y'all, this is literally my first time trying to glue it on myself. Now, when I first got the wig made by my friend, my friend helped me put the wig on and like glue it down and stuff like that. So I was like, okay, I'm Gucci. But then when it started lifting, I took it off. So this is my first time putting it back on since, you know, the original time. I think I did pretty good. I mean, honestly, I think I would just have to work on the edge work, like, you know, like putting effort into baby hairs and stuff like that. It's not that I wasn't putting effort in, it was just like I was just a little scared to put the Gorilla Snot down and lay it down, because I was just scared, because I'm not used to putting down, you know, wig hair edges. So this was my first time doing it, so I guess it was the first time for everything. First time wearing a frontal, well, it's not the first time wearing me a frontal wig, because I did have the Ally Bliss wigs, but this is the first time actually gluing down my wig and doing the edges and everything. But for the first time, I would say that I did pretty damn good. I would really say that I did good. I really did, and it came out finesse. Look at me. Oh, hold on, let me strike some poses. Alright, you guys, so that's the end of my video. I feel like all in all I did a really good job for my first time gluing down a frontal by myself. I feel like there's some things that I may need to practice on, which is okay, because you know it's only my first time and we're only gonna get greater from here. So stay tuned. You know, you're gonna see the progression throughout the rest of my videos. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment and subscribe down below to my channel at Supreme_Queen101. And also make sure you keep in touch with me on all my social medias, which will be at the end of this video and also in the description box below. As always, I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.